Hi, my name is Gino Choi, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Colorado. This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Jubilee, that is a prop bank annotation tool. Assuming you have set up Java and Jubilee properly, you can run Jubilee by typing java-jar jubilee.jar and your ID. My ID is JD Choi, and enter. You will see this pop-up window saying open a task. Here you can choose a setting. Right now it is set to Chinese.sample, but you can choose English.sample as well. And you see there are two list boxes, one saying new task and the other one saying my task. Tasks in the new task list are the ones that have not been claimed by any annotators. And the ones showing my tasks, these are the ones you have worked before. So let me try to choose one of these. You can choose either one from my task or one from new task, but you can't really choose them both at the same time. As you can see, this item is not really selected. In order to be the item be selected, you have to really make it shaded like this. So just be careful about that. For now, I'm gonna switch the setting to English.sample, and you can see all the lists are updated now. So let me choose one.task and press enter. This brings up the main Jubilee's window. Here we have the tree bank view, which is showing the first tree from the selected task. In fact, there are many trees in the task, so you can navigate these trees by clicking these buttons or just click the index. These things can be done by using shortcuts as well, so all shortcuts can be found from menu. So if you go to tree bank, it's showing Control comma for previous tree, Control period, Control J. So let me show you how this thing works. So if you just press Control period, it's gonna bring you the next tree, Control comma for the previous one, and Control J brings up this pop-up window. So let me just go back to the first tree, which is index 0, and hit enter. It brings us back to the first tree. This text field shows your ID, so people will know you are the one who annotated this tree. And the text area below shows the raw sentence of this tree. Here we have a frameset view, which shows all the information from the frameset file for this predicate. So right now it is showing keep.xx. This is the spot for role set ID. So xx means the role set has not been chosen for this tree yet. So let me try to choose one of the role sets below. So let's say keep.01. Now you see the predicate related to it and all the role set information at the bottom. You can also view example of this role set ID. So if you click this, it shows you the examples for this role set ID. You can change role set ID by using shortcuts as well. Again, shortcuts can be found from the menu. So if you go to frame set, it shows you Control open bracket for previous, close bracket, and you even have a shortcut for example. So let me show you. So here, I am pressing Control close bracket. It's gonna bring you next role set, and Control open bracket brings up to the previous one. And when I press Control E, it shows example for keep.02. And let me try to move on to the next one. And Control E showing you example for keep.04. The predicate will be updated as the role set changes. So let me move on to keep.05, 06. It's not showing, so let's keep moving until, okay, keep dot 05, now the predicate is changed to keep up. If I move to keep dot 08, it changed to keep on. So the predicate is updated automatically as the row set changes. Now we have this argument view showing all these arguments for prop banking. So here the setting is to English, so we have arg0 to arg5 and all these modifier arguments. And this erase button actually erases the tag from a node. So let me show you how it works. So first I have to choose a node and put 0, and it's actually put the arg0 to the node. And let me try again. So like down, and if I press L location, it actually put the location tag to the node. These things of course can be done by shortcuts. In fact, each argument tag has shortcuts. So if you go to argument, you see all these tags available. So let me show you how this can be done. So let me move on to next tree. Next tree doesn't have many tags, so it's clean. So let me try to make this as arg temp or even arg5, and if I press minus, it actually erases the tag. Let me try again. Minus will erase the tag. There are functions you can use for prop banking. All the functions can be found from the menu as well. So functions, star for trace, comma for concatenation, semicolon for something else. So let me show you how it can be done. So here is a trace node. So if I want to make this as arg3, which it is not, but that's okay, this is for demonstration. So and make this as a trace node, I simply press Ctrl Shift star. Then it remembers the previous location 9:0 and puts star, and puts the current location 8:0. At the end, it shows the argument. Concatenation can be done in a similar way. So let me try with these young people. So if I want to make this as arg2 and make this as a concatenation, I press Ctrl Shift comma, and it puts the concatenation.